Hey there folks, today I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your seized on water valves. These have been on for a number of years, never closed and tested, and now they're stuck open and we need to replace our washing machine, and we can't do that till we shut the water off. And no matter how hard we turn, they won't go and they'll actually bend the pipe before it actually shuts it off. So let's see how we can fix this and get into it real quick. All right, so first method we're going to use is an adjustable wrench and some adjustable pliers here. There's some flat spots on our faucet right here. So we open our adjustable up and I'm going to put that over top. This can help us hold onto the faucet and give us leverage while we open this jaw as wide as we can and use it to twist this. So we're going to go back and forth lightly, and you heard it just pop there. So that one seemed to be a bit easy. And we do have the water shut off just in case anything were to break. So now we're going to move on to this upper one here. All right, so same thing. Hold on to your wrench here. Now you can hear that pop. That was a good sign again. So we can take our wrench off. So we got lucky in this case. So that shuts all the way off. Some may be a little bit more difficult. All right, let's say you weren't as lucky as we were and you're still seized on, you need another method. Here's another one for you. If you look at the end, there's this brass nut and that holds on the faucet handle. We're going to pop that free just a little bit, just about a quarter turn, because if it's too tight and all the corrosion is slammed all together, if you loosen this, it kind of breaks that bond a little bit. So we're going to switch our wrenches around. Our adjustable will go on that brass nut. And we're going to hold down our faucet right here. And we have a towel with our water shut off just in case, and we're going to loosen this. So just a little bit like that, you can see some water starting to come out, and you can use your wrench again and twist it, and it'll be a little bit looser. You can shut it off that way, twist it all the way down, open it back up a little bit just to exercise that corrosion. Once that's done, we're going to tighten the nut back on. And it's important you always hold on to the body of it so you don't twist your copper, because copper is very pliable. So not too tight, just nice and snug there. And you can proceed to shut it off. All right, so if you're still not having any luck and you're still seized on after the two methods we just showed you, it's time now to add a little bit of heat from a propane torch. So you can repeat these two processes after heating it up. So I would turn a low flame on with your torch and apply it right at the brass nut right there at the seam, and then go ahead with your pliers and do the first step that we showed you. And if it still doesn't work, apply a little bit more heat for no more than 30 seconds. Do the brass nut open and try it again. Now, unfortunately, if that doesn't work, the only option would be to cut it off and replace it with a new one. So hopefully these methods helped you figure this out. Comment below how stuck yours was and what you used to free yours up. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.